how to create neck moving animation like this.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
To create this type of animation, first open the Alight Motion app on your phone. Then, follow these steps. 1. Create a new project. Choose the size for your project and select a green background. 2. Tap the plus icon and go to Media to upload your PNG image. 3. Adjust the PNG. Position it in the timeline and set it according to your requirements. 4. Add an effect. Click on Effects and then select Add Effect. In the search bar, type Bend and apply the bend effect. 5. Configure the effect. Click on the bend effect to open its settings. You will see 4 options: left, right, top, bottom. Choose bottom. For the 2 angle options, adjust them accordingly. 6. Set keyframes. Add a keyframe at the start of the timeline and another one at the end. Set the first keyframe to 6 and the last one to -6. 7. Smooth the animation. Click on the graph icon on the side. Choose the center graph and then select the third graph. Adjust it to fit your timeline for smooth movement. 8. Final step. Your neck moving animation is now ready. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. The final result will look something like this.